Let's continue our journey of info menu in Microsoft Word training. So in this part, we have check for issue. In check for issue, we have three things. Like number one is inspect document. Inspect document, it says check the document for hidden properties or personal information. So if you want to do that, so you can click and you can say yes, and then it shows you, and then you can check mark all of that, and then you can inspect, and then it shows you completely about the information you wanted, and then you can remove them, or you can let it them be in the document. For example, you can remove the author and you can say remove all. So this is just for document inspection. Another thing we have is check accessibility. So we can click and it says no accessibility issue found. So we are very good luck and everyone can open this document. We have also compatibility. Okay, and then it says choose the version. But for now, we don't have any information about it. No compatibility issue were found. So we're really good luck at this part. And also we are in here, we can see it. Accessibility, good to go. It means we are ready to go to the next option. So that's the three options. You need to check them whenever you send files to someone. So you need to check for them for the issue, because maybe they have some problem with their office, or they wanted to have some, they use different software, so you need to check them really each time whenever you send them. And finally, we have recover unsaved documents. You can browse the unsaved documents that you have in here, unsaved files. For me, it's two only, but you might have two or three in your document. So that's the info in here that we have all about that, and I think I provided you complete information about that, unless I really didn't talk about this too, so it's fine, I will cover them in the future. Let's go with save and save as. Now, there is too much big discussion about save and save as, what they are doing. Save and save as, I can say they are really the CEO of Microsoft Word, because we do a lot of work with them, okay? And open is manager really. Okay, opens document. We can have you can have really current existing documents using open in the Microsoft Word. In save and save as, we have a copy of them. Whenever we hit save and save as, we will have a copy of them. We'll copy of document in our computer. Now, save and save as are the CEO, because they are doing most of their work and they are doing a lot of their work. Now, in save, now I really already prepared this document, as you can see. And if I go in here, if I hit save, so it is saved, okay? At first time, if I create a new document, let me create a new document. There you go, I create a new document. I'm gonna type title, and then the body text in here. And if I go to in here, make this title. And if I go in here and save it, at first time, it asks you the place where to save, the location. So you can go and browse and you can check where you want it to save. So right now it asks us for the place it wanted to be saved. So I'm gonna tell the Microsoft Word in here, so it should be saved. So you can say title 2, for example. So this is saved. So at first time, save asks us for the place, but the second time it doesn't ask. You can see that right over here. So it doesn't ask us where you wanted to save, what names you wanted to save. So that's the first CEO we have in Microsoft Word. Another CEO is save as. Save as, it saves at the duplicate places and at duplicate names that you can have. So each time whenever you hit save as, it asks you for the name, it asks you for the place, the location you wanted to save. So let's do that. Save in here. So it asks the location. I'm gonna hit browse, and for example, title 3. and hit save, and then again go back again, save, again ask us for the location and the name, so you can type the name and then the type as well. There you go. So it's very, very, very different from each other. So I wanted you to know that save and save as has very big difference together. We should really understand their difference together. So that's save and save as. Okay, and their shortcut is really Control S and Control. So their shortcut is CTRL plus VS, and another is Control Shift S or F12. F12 is very better to save as, really, because they are really good at that, and they are doing most of their work. For example, if I hit F12, you can see it's save as. And if I hit save, it's also saving. Control S. So that's their shortcut, that it's really easy to remember and it's easy really to work with them. So that's about the save and save as. And another super part of important object is open. Okay, when you have save and save as, you have also open. You can open the existing document in your document. You can click in here where the document is, for example, this document, and there you go, it opens. But you can open it any document using this. Okay, you can click. So you can also go with this PC and recent document or folders, based folder. So that's the information about save as, save, and open. By the way, you also have it in Quick Access Toolbar. You have save, and you can add that as well. Like you can add also open. You can add that as well in here, like open, and then or say something else. So it depends on your work, how to do and how to really use them.